Mugomo wa mandagitari guku bururi-ini uria wathararirie urigiti gatagati ga tariki 13 mweri wa gatatu na tariki 8 mweri wa gatano wari iguru ria gukinyanirio kwa ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2017 iria yari na maundu matiganite gatagati kamo ari mishara ya mandagitari aria marikitie githomo gukinyio ciringi 112 na hamwe na uguo matumagwo mathibitari-ini marikia githomo. Murugamo wa thirikari wari ati ukinyaniria wa ngirimiti ino ya 2017 ndungiahotekire ni wagi wa mbeca no gukigia na cikaro cia miario na muthia gukigia uiguano iguru ria maundu mothe otiga uyu wigie mandagitari aya marikitie githomo. Uiguano-ini uyu wa gucoka wira thirikari yarugamire na ati uhoro uyu uri mbere ya igoti ria wandikani macira-ini maria mahanditwo Nairobi na Eldoret na kuga ni undu wohetwo ni mwerekera wa igoti wa tariki 2 mweri wa gatano na uguo no nginya macira maya mambe mathikiririo na matuithanio. No nakio kiama kia mandagitari kiehandire na ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2017 iria yugite mandagitari aya mabatie gutumwo mathibitari-ini orio thutha wa kurikia githomo. Kiraniro kia uiguano uyu kiari maundu maya ni mekwariririo na gukorwo gukinyirirwo uiguano ihinda-ini ria thiku 60 thutha wa kuninwo kwa mugomo.
We have agreed on a 60 days period that they will not be posted, but we'll be having conversations on this issue.
Ni murugamo wararakire mandagitari aya na giikaro-ini na KMPDU thutha wa mugomo guthira. KMPDU ikimerera ni megutigirira undu uyu ni warumbuyo na nikio mandagitari aya marikitie githomo maratabania mirurungano magitetia kwaga gukinyanirio kwa uiguano ucio wa mweri wa gatano.
The issues of them being posting is still a priority because as we said it before and as we still continue to say it, that interns offer 35% of healthcare in this country and particularly public healthcare. And therefore, them being not in the hospitals means about 60% of services are only what being offered. About 35 to 40 is not still being done. We know that within these 52 days, this has to be resolved. And if it's not resolved, we have no absolute way but to go back to our actions that we know better to push for these issues.
Mandagitari aya merumite kini na kuga matikugwa o nginya kihoto kiao gikinyanirio.
Wagireirwo warikia medical school 1 month okolo vieta internship. Ndiraiguire mheshimiwa Ruto akiuga ati interns ni mapostirwo. That is a lie.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.